If you have something underneath, that'd be better. Yeah. Okay, and so big things, the hips and like the upper back, just kind of everything, right?
Yeah.
And the shoulders bothering you at all then too?
Yeah, this is just super tight.
All right, let's lay down and let's check it out. And let's see. We'll start. Yeah, that'll be a little bit. And then we can do the cupping after we wind out as well, right? Yeah.
Stretching does not do that.
Well, you gotta do like some foam rolling or some massage or something. Get this here. Yeah, it's all tight. So, yeah, you've been working out too then?
Yeah, I've been trying. Probably like 3-4 days a week though.
Sweet.
Oh.
Yeah, if you're working out, you have to.
Foam rolling.
Yeah, you have to do all that. Yeah. The soft tissue work, but get a massage.
I've been scooting by on just doing banded stretches, but
Yeah,
not this winter. Gotta need a little more.
I can see all your leg jumping up there. So that your glutes are really tight. Okay, let's keep working. Let's get your back. Good. Let's lay this side up.
I don't know how to lay.
Nobody
Falling
does.
off the table?
No, nobody's falling off the table, so yeah, make sure. Hold on, everybody.
Oh.
Okay, let's go the other way. Yeah, I gotta be extra careful. You get some older patients and stuff, but yeah, nobody's ever falling off.
No. Oh, this one's so tight.
Yeah, this one's Good. Okay. Let's lay on your back. Hips. Oh yeah. Let's scoot down to the edge of the table.
Hamstring cramp.
What's that?
My hamstring cramp.
Okay. Alright, and this one, let's try this one. This one goes under the chin as well.
Oh, awesome.
So just make sure you keep your tongue in your mouth, keep your mouth closed.
Oh.
That was it.
Oh.
That was beautiful. That was. Let me double check up top. Okay, good. Let me get the shoulder here as well. Okay, that was good. Okay, good. Let's come on up. Is that feeling all right?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I feel
I'll
so
move like
much
a dream.
better.
Yeah, I'll move like a dream. So, alright, let's get you on the therapy then. We'll get you on the cupping then. Hi, this is Dr. Moran with Kinetic Chiropractic in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm here to talk to you today about chiropractic care. If you're suffering from low back pain, neck pain, headaches, sciatica, migraines, or similar symptoms, chiropractic care is exactly what you need. It's a safe, effective, non-invasive, no-drug approach to healthcare. If you're tired of the same approach of take this medicine until you feel better, and oftentimes you don't feel better, and you want to start addressing the root cause of the problem and not just the symptoms, then we can take care of that for you. If you're watching this video, I encourage you to hit the link and book an appointment with us. We are currently offering a great new patient special. Click the link to learn more and to schedule.